Most people hesitate to hire a car accident attorney for one simple reason. They don't know what actually happens next. So let's break it down. What does a car accident attorney really do after you hire them? Day one is everything. Within the first 24 to 48 hours, your attorney is going to start preserving evidence. That means sending legal letters to businesses, police, repair shops, anybody who might have proof of what happened. Because in a city like Charlotte, surveillance footage can disappear in as little as 30 days. And once it's gone, it's gone. At the same time, your attorney opens the insurance claim and takes over all communication. That means no more calls from adjusters, no more pressure to give recorded statements, no more lowball offers while you're still in pain. Everything goes through your attorney. Then comes the building and setting up of your case. Your attorney gathers the accident report, tracks down footage, interviews witnesses, and in serious cases works with reconstruction experts. In North Carolina, even being found 1% at fault can destroy your case. So these next steps are critical. Your medical care. Your attorney works behind the scenes with your doctors to make sure your injuries are fully documented. And then he's going to work to prove that they're connected to the accident. They're going to track your treatment, understand your long-term needs, and make sure nothing gets missed. Because settling too early is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Then comes the real number. Not just your current medical bills, but future care, lost income, pain and suffering, and how your life has changed. That's the difference between a quick check and full compensation. Finally, negotiation. Your attorney sends a demand to the insurance company and pushes for full value. If they don't play fair, case moves to litigation in court. And here's the truth. Insurance companies know which law firms will actually go to trial. That can change everything. While all of this is happening, your job is simple. Focus on healing. Follow your doctor's plan and let your attorney handle the rest. Because what happens in those first few days can shape your entire case. If you're in pain, call Shane 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.